Welcome back guys. In this video I'm going to create a separate method that will update every time we click on one of these text views that we have implemented inside our XML file. So first of all, let me create a public method that will be used on the onClick attribute of our text views. So public void do the math. Let me import this file inside our Android Studio, and I'm going to use a try catch to surround this. Here I'm going to say this would be into do the math section. So first of all, we're going to check that which text view has been clicked. For that purpose, I'm going to set the tag for different text views. Tag would be 0. This text view tag would be 1. For this text view, tag would be 2. And for the fourth, tag would be 3. Every time when some text view would call this to the text method, all the properties of that text view will be available in this view object of view class. I can get these values from this view object. So first of all, I'm going to check if view.getTag.toString is equal to the value that would be integer.toString correct answer. So if this tag is equal to our correct answer position, then we would say that this score will be incremented by 1. So first of all, I'm going to create two variables that will hold score and our actual total number of questions. For that purpose, let me create the values. It would be r score and total number of questions. By default, these two object variable will be initialized by 0. So I'm going to say if this condition satisfied, so I'm going to increment our score by 1. At the same time, I would set the answer status to correct answer. To set the status, I'm going to get this text view inside our Java file status text view. Status text view would be equal to find view by id or.id status answer status text view. Now I'm going to get this inside this update method. I'm going to set status text view dot set text to correct answer, and else it would be an incorrect answer. No, at the end of else, I'm going to update total number of questions by 1 and regenerating our question. But there is a slight problem with this code that every time this method will run, it will add values to our array that has already been initialized with 4 values, and next time when this method generate question will be called, it will be incremented by 4 more values and the total number of values will be 8. So we don't need those values. I'm going to clear those values before regenerating all the content for the generate question method. So let me call answer ArrayList clear. That's it. Now I'm going to call this do the math method on all these text views on click property. Do the math on click, do the math. Let me copy and paste on each of the text views. So we are done with our do the math method as well. First time when this application will run, we want to generate a random question. For that purpose, let me call the generate question over here as well. That's it for this tutorial, guys. See you guys in the next video.